Another day, another shot at some shower and thunderstorm activity. Again, it wasn't widespread, but certainly there were places that got some much needed rainfall. But this time of the year, you got to put up with the good and the bad. The good, I'm talking about the rainfall that we got from these storms. The bad is the fact that we did get some severe weather as well. Most of that was focused to our west, closer to I-49, where the storms were a bit stronger. And here's a look at where those reports were. Areas around Joplin. We even had a report of some hail and wind damage up in Ash Grove, but most of it was a bit further west and southwest. Again, that activity has faded away. The rest of the night looks quiet. Where the rain fell was sort of in a horseshoe shape, right down I-49 from Kansas City south into Joplin, and then stretching east across northern Arkansas into south central areas of Missouri. Notice we had this stripe right in here where very little in the way of rain occurred, although here in Springfield we did have a few isolated showers around. I mentioned the drought conditions. Our drought monitor gets updated every Thursday. It was updated today, and it indicates that conditions have worsened more. We are now looking at severe to extreme drought conditions over most of southwest Missouri. You can see this area of red shading right in here, which includes parts of Lawrence County and Berry County. That is where we're looking at extreme drought conditions. And when you're looking at this map, I don't want you to think, oh, well, it's because we haven't gotten rain in the last month and a half. A drought takes time, and it's not just the lack of rain. It's what the lack of rain also does to soil conditions, also to stream flow, and also to the vegetation. And all of those ingredients are taken into account to create this drought graphic that we're showing you right here. But again, the drought does worsen across all of the Ozarks. Now, looking at this summer to date, here in Springfield, we've had over 6 inches of rainfall. And while that is well below normal for the summer season, going back to June the 1st, certainly it's not in our top 10, it's not in our top 20, and it's not in our top 30 driest summers to date on record. The driest goes back to 1953, where we had less than 2 inches of rain to date since June the 1st. 2012 wasn't far behind. We had a little over 3 inches by this point in the season. So again, while it has been very, very dry this summer, it has been worse in years past, and we do have a at least more optimistic looking forecast through this weekend and into next week, as at least there will be a daily chance for rain. Tomorrow's chance comes from a weak cold front which will slide south into the area. It looks like by late afternoon we should have widely scattered to scattered showers and thunderstorms firing up near that front, and I think those storms are going to have enough gas to get down to at least Highway 60 during the evening hours. Our hour-by-hour forecast looking like this: quiet the rest of the night. Tomorrow looks mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and while I can't completely rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm across southern Missouri and northern Arkansas, I really think the main event is going to happen closer to that front to our north and central Missouri, and that activity should drop south as we work through the evening hours. Temperatures tonight cooling into the middle and upper 60s. Highs tomorrow, they're going to be hot as some warmer air noses east ahead of that cold front. Looks like highs in the mid-90s over most of southwest and west central Missouri. And again, it looks like areas near and north of Highway 60 will be most favored for some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. A 6 on our color radar, and that's because of the hot conditions that we're going to find across a broader area. Over the weekend, that front will hang up across southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. That's going to give us a daily shot at some spotty showers and thunderstorms. And then next week, we're going to have an upper level system come out of Texas and Oklahoma. It's going to move slowly across our region as we work through the middle of next week. And that should really help to boost our rain chances. It looks like scattered showers and thunderstorms maybe as early as Monday, certainly for Tuesday, Wednesday, and possibly into Thursday. And with more widespread cloud cover and better rain chances, we're going to see those afternoon highs pull back some too.
I'm waiting to see, Jamie, like you told me the other day, you said, you know, just a little bit of rain, get that yard growing again, and I'm waiting to see if it's going to happen.
It's pretty, I mean, you might have noticed after the rain that you got yesterday, you might have noticed the grass kind of perking up already.
Get back out
But
there.
it does dry out quickly too.
Yes, that's true. What's our Viewers Club number?
That number tonight is 236-536, and our jackpot is at $700.
All right, Jamie, thanks. Have you ever thought about getting involved in city government? Well, now could be a good time.
Just some of the